gonna make meal bars.
But first we need 2 cups quick oats. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try it.
Here, you gonna put them in there?
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Don't put them in yet, okay? You eating it? You're gonna stir it.
Okay.
You're hilarious. Granola bites?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't eat any, okay? I'm watching you. No. Stop eating it. Okay, I'm gonna scoop it in here and then you'll pat it down like that, okay?
I'm gonna try it.
These are gonna be thin granola bars. You can eat it off the spoon. You can eat the spoon. You can make a little flower. What do you think? And make flower-shaped granola bars?
Yeah.
This will be cute. And then, when you go to school, you can eat these in the car easy. These will be cute.
These were cute.
I'm gonna put it in there and then I'll let you pat it down, okay? taste it too much to where you don't have any left. No. No, Finn! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Why are you doing that? Do you like the one from the store or this better?
This better.
Oh, good. Melvin, stop eating it.
Perfect.
Okay, stop.
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Should I taste?
No.
Let me see.
I'm gonna try this.
That's good. That's actually really good, Nelly. We did.
Yeah. Good.